What's going on, guys? It's Pedro with Forlo Addicts here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got my buddy Mikey, Vicky, and Clint back here. What we're doing today is we're actually going to be installing the winch plate in this 1985 Toyota. The problem with that is this truck was previously modified. They actually added this cross brace here, and we can't just simply bolt it on, so we're going to have to do some modifications to make it work. We're going to do some fabrication, drill some holes, be able to mount this properly, and we're in the process. We're going to remove the radiator and hopefully try to secure it better, maybe gusset it, make it stronger, so that down the line when the Jeep has to tow the Toyota out, we can actually, it'll hold. So they added this to make it stronger. However, I don't think they really thought about, adding the winch plate in the future, or they weren't planning on running a winch at all. So today we're going to walk you through that. We're going to cut some of the stuff out and do some fabrication, have some fun. So join us on the process.
Same boat, swimming if I can't float. With it, take the paper, rip it clean slate. Here we go, dropping like Geronimo, popping Tropicana flows, boats till we bubble up. Undercover, they don't know. Same boat, running like you same boat, running like you same boat. Running like you same boat, swimming if I can't float. With it, take the paper, rip it clean slate. Here we go, dropping like Geronimo, popping Tropicana flows, boats till we bubble up. Undercover.
All right, guys, so we went ahead and we've already cleaned this whole center support here. We've actually cut out this 1/4-inch angle iron, and basically this is going to sit right here, and it's going to go there. We're going to weld it here. We're going to gusset it in the back. The actual winch plate is going to sit right here. So as you can see here, this is going to go right, actually upside down this way. This is going to go right here. And this is going to grab onto that and the existing cross member that we just cleaned up. So that should allow us to be able to mount this, add some rigidity, so that when he's running the winch and he's tugging against it, that 1/4-inch angle and the gussets in the back should be able to hold some of that force from the winch. So we're going to go ahead and in the second here, we're going to go ahead and tack it in place, and we're going to stitch weld this across. We'll make multiple stitches in the front, and we'll make opposite stitches on the back side. We'll probably be adding some gussets in the back to add some support, to add rigidity, so that when that pull force from the winch, since it sits higher, that it relieves some of that pressure and not cracking any of the existing welds on the frame or anything else. So I've seen on the trail one occasion, actually, Toyota, actually, it was, the winch was here, and with the downforce, it cracked some of the welds from the winch plate. So that's what we're trying to avoid. We're trying to make it, not only we're trying to be able to make this fit the way it's supposed to, or it was intended to if they wouldn't have done this, but we're also trying to make it stronger at the same time. So we want to make it better so that when he's out there on the trail and he needs to tow someone out, or he needs to winch himself out of a situation, it's actually stronger. So we're going to go ahead and start tacking this in place, burning it in, and then we'll drill some holes and mount the winch plate where we're supposed to go.
Go. Feel like I should go. Feel like I should, feel like I should, feel like I should, feel like I should go. Feel like I should go. Feel like I should, feel like I should, feel like I should, feel like I should.
What's going on, guys? So now we're done with the winch plate on this 1985 Toyota. And as you can see, as you saw in the video, we added that L bracket on the back, on the bottom. We actually added some gussets on the back, or there was some existing gussets that were added. We just cleaned up the welds and re-welded them because they needed a little bit of TLC. But there's 6 grade A bolts on here. This thing's not going to go anywhere. It's pretty freaking stout. That 1/4 inch angle really added a lot of rigidity. So overall, this thing turned out pretty freaking sick. As you can see, it's got a 2-inch receiver here. So if Clint ever wants to pull someone in reverse or hook up a, you know, a trailer hitch or something to move a trailer, he's going to have that recovery point up here. Or if he wants to get tugged out, this is probably going to be his strongest point to get pulled out. We're going to be installing the winch on here soon, but for now, I think we're pretty much wrapping it up. We're going to call it a day. This thing turned out a lot better than we thought. The welds turned out real clean. We thought we weren't sure if we were going to have to clean anything up on the surface, but it turned out nice and flush. That 1/4 inch gap that we had where the angle iron and everything else met turned out nice and smooth. But overall, the outcome of this is sick. As you can see, we were kind of messing with it a little bit, and it's pure beef. It's nice, it's stout, it's strong, it's not going anywhere. Once he puts his winch on here, and then for the future, what we're planning on doing is we're going to build a bumper from here. We're going to get a tube bender from my buddy Mikey, and we're actually going to be building a bumper here. So stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, like the video, stay tuned. Again, this is 4Low Addicts, build, wheel, break, and repeat. As you can see, all my buddies were here today, so we're going to be doing much more of this content. Stay tuned for that. Again, your support's appreciated. Subscribe to the channel, and if you have any comments, questions, opinions, put them down in the comments, and stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks.